There are so many times that you can't find what you're looking for, but fortunately a Mac has a search fully built in. Let me show you how. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. So here we are on a Mac, and actually it's not called Search, it's called Spotlight. All you need to do is in the top right hand corner near the time, just click on the little magnifying glass, which opens up Spotlight. Now, if you've done a search recently, it might open up with the text that you've been searching for. If not, you can see it just comes up with a blank option now that I've deleted the text, which says Spotlight Search. With Spotlight, you can search anything. So you can search for apps. Maybe you want the text editor. Text edit, it comes up as soon as you start typing the right characters, and all you do is hit return and up comes text edit. You can do this also with file names and websites, in fact. So I can actually go to, let's choose the BBC, and you can see it automatically starts suggesting various things that I can go to. So, for example, if I want to go to BBC Weather and just click on there. So I've chosen BBC Weather. It's now giving me my history. I can simply click there, double click, and it pops up. Oh, and apparently gives me an error message. So I can choose to search a number of different things simply by using Spotlight to type in my text, and that searches my computer, my applications, my files, and of course that will include any files that I have access that are connected via a cloud, but it will also search the web for me, so a single place to search everything. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to be notified as new videos are released every week, remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I will see you next time.